Here I have Huawei P30 and let me show you how to speed up this device. So at first you have to find and tap on optimizer, so it's this icon, and then you've got several options here. So at first just click on optimize and your device will be automatically optimized. As you can see, it's performed some operation, and just tap on done, and as you can see now it's 100% good. Then go to cleanup, it's the first icon where you can clean your memory. So just tap on cleanup. Now you can select the apps that you are not using. For example, SIM app dialog, just click here, uninstall it, click on uninstall. And that's it. As you can see, you've got more memory, so your device will definitely work faster. Here you will have special cleaners up, so if you will have any audios, videos, images, you will be able to clean them from here, from this menu. You can also check your data usage here, and also you can perform a virus scan. It will also speed up your device, but as you can see, this one is a secure, but if you will have any virus here, you will be notified, so you will be able to get rid of this. And that's it. Now your device will definitely work faster. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.